What up, guys? Back at the creek again. It's a little higher than last time we were here. It's been raining for a couple days, but oh shit, about to see if we can pull out some big river smallies. Who knows what'll happen? Let's find out. Oh, we're on. We're on. Biggin. Oh, we're on. Doesn't feel too super big. Maybe it's a walleye. It ain't jumping yet. Oh, he's in that current. It's too big for a walleye. I don't know though. Oh, he's fighting hard. That's a smallie, it's gotta be. Whew. Been here for about 5 minutes. Wow. This is insane. He's in that current. This is actually a decent fish. Alright, here he comes. What is it? Big smallie. Ooh. Man, they fight hard. These ain't done. They must just sit in this current here and just pick off food because they've been here for a couple days now. Stacked, absolutely stacked. Big ones, just like this. All right, let's try actually land it. Oh yeah, nice river smallie. Oh, there he goes. I've been fucking up my hook sets, or my landings real bad lately. Fish on. Oh shit, another smallie. They're freaking stacked in here, boys. Absolutely stacked. I've never, in the summer, this is not like this. You're lucky if you catch one of these smallies. But right now, this time of the year, freaking stacked. It's about to rain and shit too. You got a fish on. Looks about, stay down, stay down. Probably the funnest fish to... I just saw another one. I literally can see another one. This dude's kicking up fucking dirt all over, ruining it. I'm literally staring at another fish right now. Unreal. We gotta get this hook set. Oh, there's a landing down here. No, no, no. Not back in the current, buddy. No. Alright. There it is. There we go. That hook's barely. Oh, no, I guess she's in there. Bam. Quality smallie. Didn't actually land the first one, so here you go. Fucking gorgeous fish. Fat. I'd say that's 3 pounds at least. Nah, that's a good 2-pounder. Fat fish. They're all here to spawn. Hell yeah, let's see if we can get a bigger one. Fish on. Oh my god, they're absolutely stacked here. Oh shit, my drag wasn't set. Another smallie. It's starting to rain here. Oh my god, that thing was fully out the water. Wow, the power of these fish is just unreal. We're on them. They are all over in here. Where's he going? You're done, buddy. Quality fish. Alright. That's a nice one. What's he got in his mouth? Just some sea. There we go. Another 2-3 pound beautiful smallie. They are literally stacked in here like just fucking ridiculous. I've never experienced this. Another quality fish. Very happy we came out this afternoon. Bird tried to swoop and bite. There he is. Oh. Oh my god, I thought I was actually snagged that time. Oh, he popped it again. What the fuck? We're on. Decent one. Been about the same size all day. Woo, these fish fight. This one ain't tired yet. Rocking 2 hooks on this lure. One of them just fucking broke off. I'm not sure how this thing's still alive. It's taking a beating from these bass. Oh, he's gonna spit it. So sloppy. Woo! Come on, buddy. Wow. That's the biggest one so far. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. Oh, look at that. Hook just literally slid right out. That's a toad. That's definitely our biggest one so far. Not as fat, I want to say, as the others, but definitely the longest one. Powerful, powerful fish. Holy shit. This is our 4th one we've landed, 6th that we've caught. And we missed one. So we're fucking killing it right now.